Hey there, and welcome back to our slow cooking escapades. Today I'm thrilled to unveil a fantastic recipe: curry garlic chicken drumsticks. Before we embark on our flavorful journey, let's take a peek at our star players. These goodies will create magic in your kitchen. You can find the ingredients also in the below description. I'll craft our exquisite seasoning blend using curry powder, black pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, lemon juice, mild paprika sauce, and sunflower oil. Now onto the main act. Let's coat each chicken drumstick with this sensational spice mix, ensuring that every inch is enveloped in this amazing aromatic blend. In my prepared iron cast pan, I am placing in a circular position these beautiful drumsticks, so later on I will be able to collect the flavorful sauce which will be released and drip it over. For an extra flavor boost to our marinated drumsticks, I am giving the last touch by adding the garlic head horizontally cut in two and the rest of the cloves from another garlic head which were slightly crushed. Our beautifully seasoned drumsticks start their slow cooking journey in front of my fireplace, absorbing all those amazing flavors. I am spraying a little bit of olive oil so our drumsticks will gain that perfect golden brown color. Whoa, wow! After 3 hours of slow cooking, the released bouquet is just insane, and the color is on the way of perfection. Now is the moment to make some space in the middle of the pan, so I will have access to this flavored and beautiful colored sauce. Throughout the slow cooking process, time to time, I will drip over the drumsticks this velvety and tasty sauce, ensuring that they will turn out juicy and tender. Please keep in mind that this delicious and simple recipe can be cooked also in the oven or in a modern slow cooker. After 6 hours of slow cooking, our curry garlic chicken drumsticks are ready. The aroma is divine and the flavors are simply spectacular. Et voila! A dish that simplicity meets flavor extravaganza. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more delicious creations. Thank you!